Hi, minasan, let's work on activity 2. Hopefully you've got that page in your booklet. Maybe you've already had a go. But if you haven't read this part, so the Japanese title for your name is Kimi no na wa. If you turn to the front page of your booklet, you'll actually see that is written on the side here in Japanese. On the right, next to the English, Kimi no na wa. So, scrolling back down. Kimi means you, na means name, so it does translate to your name. The Japanese word for first name is namae. So na is name, mae means in front, so it's your front name, your first name. Using both kanji and hiragana, this word can be written as na in kanji and mae in hiragana. If we think back to year 7, you learnt the question, what is your name? Onamae wa. Have a practice of that now. Onamae wa. Good. And if you were to answer it, my name is Anna. Namae wa Anna desu. So Anna is underlined there. That's katakana. It's a foreign word. So first you're going to practice the kanji for name, na. So in the black one, that's just for looking, and the white one you can trace with your pen. And then the kanji should fit in 4 boxes nicely in the center. So you've got room for 6 na along that side. And then below, you can write your name in katakana. So that's again 1 character for every 4 boxes. Depending on how long your name is, you probably won't need to use the whole row there. In the Simon lesson plan, I have a website. If you want to plug your name in, it will tell you how to write it. And the last part here, C, make a sentence to introduce yourself in Japanese. I've highlighted it in yellow. So basically you're going to copy out the Japanese, namae wa, and then write your name in katakana, whatever you wrote in part B on the underlined part, and finish with des and a full stop. And I will check your perfect Japanese sentence next lesson. ありがとうございます。